Hello, I'm going to show you how to feed your baby in a Mamaruga Zensling. So here I'm in the front carry with cross straps, and first I'm going to show you how to breastfeed and then how to bottle feed as well. So to breastfeed, you can just drop your baby down a little bit. So we're going to start by loosening the waist belt, and we're going to loosen the front part of the dual adjust straps. So lift it like this, and same here. Then you should feel this getting loose now, so we're going to lower baby down until baby reaches breast height. So here, get my fake boob out. You want baby's nose to be at the same height as your nipple. Latch, bring baby's hands onto the breast so baby can feel the breast, and they can also push away when they're done, okay? With feeding in slings, it's very important to make sure that the head and spine are aligned, that you can see the nose so that we know airways are clear, and that you still support your baby. So hand across the top of the shoulders. If your baby's got very full head control, then you can be hand-free, but for small babies it's still important to keep supporting. So across the top of the shoulders, you can put your hand inside if you prefer. Make sure the head is free, so don't push the head, just make sure the head is always free of movement. And we support like this. Okay, now we can also go into a full hip carry if we want to. So if you want to bring baby more to the side, you just remove this strap, and then I'm going to bring baby a bit more across the body, retighten, and then just do exactly the same here. Nose to nipple, you latch. Hands on the breast, and you can feed like that as well. You can also feed cradle across cradle. So if your baby's on the front, you just go into a hip carry, so you loosen each side like this. You remove the strap if you're feeding on this breast, and you're going to lift baby out of the sling, and you're going to bring the legs onto this side. Make sure the strap is not annoying, so you can go either under or above, whatever works for you. Like this. Make sure baby supported from inside the knees like that, and that the strap is away from the face. So if you feed on this side, you remove this strap so we don't have any fabric across the body. Keep the panel across the back to top of the shoulders, and I will do the same. Nose to nipple, we latch baby. Really make sure here that the head and spine are aligned. Pop your elbow near your baby's bum, hand across your baby's back, and have your baby nice and close to you. So you can feed like this, supporting the top of the shoulders, or you can use your elbow on the other side, or you can use both. But what's nice about this is that you can have one hand free, which is great when you're a new parent. Okay, so when you're done, always bring your baby back upright. It's super important. Don't let your baby be carried in that position when they're asleep. Just pop baby straight back up, like this. And then you just put your arms back through the straps. For bottle feeding, it's quite important to not overextend the neck back like this. So I like to do kind of like a seated sideways positioning. So again, you loosen, and I just like to just remove one strap. I think it's just easier. And then you can bring baby over, bring the leg through one side, and basically here we're kind of sitting baby like that. You can retighten a bit. And we're going to bring hands together or hands on the side for bigger babies. Support your baby with your elbow, and then you're just going to feed like this. Okay, and again, make sure your baby is aligned, the head isn't twisted to the side, and you can monitor the airways. And when you're done, again, you bring baby back over. You put baby straight back on your front, and you put your sling back on. Straps on both sides, and make sure you don't tighten fully. Always leave it a tiny bit loose so I can burp baby, because some babies really don't like having pressure on the stomach when they've just eaten. So like you just very slowly retighten and when they've burped. And that's it. Thank you for watching.